Construction used to be all about manual tools and paperwork, but now the toolbox is digital. Today, construction technology, or ConTech, means using software, digital systems, and smart devices to make building faster and smarter. Imagine swapping paper blueprints for a tablet that updates in real time, or tracking every project detail from anywhere. The goal? Fewer mistakes, less wasted time, and projects that stay on budget and schedule. ConTech isn't just for skyscrapers. Even small renovations benefit from better organization and communication. With digital tools, a contractor can check multiple job sites from their phone, and architects can spot design issues before construction starts. This shift is bringing construction into the 21st century, making collaboration easier and results more reliable. Better accuracy means less rework, saving time and money. Everyone, from plumbers to clients, stays on the same page. For clients, it means more transparency and confidence in their project. Construction technology is simply a smarter, more reliable way to build. The industry is finally catching up, and the benefits are too big to ignore. What's in the modern builder's digital toolbox? First up, project management software. Platforms like Procore centralize schedules, budgets, and communication, so everyone's always in sync. Field crews update progress from the job site using mobile apps, keeping info current for the whole team. Building information modeling, or BIM, creates smart 3D models where every component is detailed, helping teams spot and fix issues before they become costly mistakes. Permit management software automates paperwork, tracks deadlines, and reduces delays from missing info. Drones now survey sites, monitor progress, and perform safety checks, while wearables like smart hard hats keep workers safe by detecting hazards in real time. These tools make construction more efficient, accurate, and safe. The result? Fewer delays, fewer errors, and a smoother build from start to finish. Whether you're building a house or a hospital, these technologies are changing the game. Modern builders rely on digital tools to stay competitive. The future of construction is already here. The next wave of construction tech is even more exciting. Cloud-based platforms let teams access up-to-date project info from anywhere, making collaboration seamless. Artificial intelligence is analyzing data to predict delays and suggest better designs, saving time and money. Generative design tools help architects quickly explore hundreds of options to find the most efficient solution. Sustainability is front and center. New software tracks energy use and carbon footprint, helping teams build greener. Modular construction is on the rise, with digital models guiding the off-site assembly of building components for faster, less wasteful projects. Digital platforms coordinate every step, from design to delivery. These trends are making construction smarter, faster, and more sustainable. The industry is evolving rapidly, and those who adapt will lead the way. The future is digital, connected, and green. It's not just big companies using construction tech. Everyone's getting on board. Large developers use dashboards to manage dozens of projects, tracking budgets and timelines in real time. Public sector projects, like schools and hospitals, rely on digital platforms for transparency and compliance. City governments are moving to cloud-based permitting, speeding up approvals and reducing paperwork. This benefits builders and cities alike, making development smoother and more efficient. Smaller firms and tradespeople now have access to affordable, scalable tools. A custom home builder can keep clients updated and subcontractors organized with just a few clicks. Electricians and plumbers use mobile apps to manage work orders and submit invoices from the field. Technology is leveling the playing field, letting small businesses compete with the big guys. No matter the size, construction teams are working smarter and faster. The digital revolution is for everyone. Adopting new tech isn't always easy. Cost and training are big hurdles, especially for smaller companies. Some teams resist change, preferring familiar methods over digital workflows. The key is to start small, pick one problem, test a solution, and build from there. Run a pilot project, gather feedback, and iron out issues before a full rollout. Choose tech partners who offer strong support and training. Appoint an internal champion to help guide the transition and answer questions. Patience and clear leadership are essential for success. With a thoughtful, step-by-step approach, any construction business can harness technology's power. The payoff? More efficient, profitable, and future-ready projects. Embracing change is the path to building better. The future of construction belongs to those willing to innovate,